Hi, I'm James with Tornado, and today I want to introduce you to the Roam Battery Upright Vacuum. Our cordless upright will offer you a tremendous amount of productivity gain, upwards of 35% over a corded vacuum. One of the coolest features about the Roam is the light. The light on this unit allows for low light cleaning as well as nighttime cleaning, which is key in today's world of cleaning. The Roam is the lightest battery upright on the market today, coming in at a very minimal 11 pounds. The Roam offers you some of the industry-leading battery technology. It's a lithium-ion battery, which gives you 50 minutes of runtime. There is a nice battery gauge on top of this that allows you to see where the batteries are at any given time. The Roam offers a quick charge of less than 2 hours. Another great feature of the Roam is the high-capacity filter bag. This allows you to clean for long periods of time without having to change the bag out. It also allows you to maintain clean air within your facility. It's whisper quiet at less than 70 dBA. Simple to transport, easy to use, the Roam is the answer for high productivity cleaning. And don't forget, it cleans like a tornado.